Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Amina and I am a teacher and an admin staff member and copywriter at Jannah Institute.
I'm Victoria Caldwell, and I'm the marketing director here at Jannah Institute.
This is your sister Selda from Jannah Institute. As a general manager here, I wanted to hop on and convey my sincere gratitude for your generosity and for your unwavering trust and support in our mission. With your support, we were able to bring the light of Islam into the homes of countless women across the world, empowering them with the tools that they need to deepen their relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Alhamdulillah, I joined Jannah Institute around 2 years ago, and if I may describe this journey of mine throughout these 2 years, it would be, with one word, a transformation. First of all, spiritually, as I have been learning, alhamdulillah, so much, and changing, I would say, the knowledge that I knew before into something much more practical and much more spiritual in a way of getting closer to Allah. I have seen the same transformation in many women that I have met throughout these 2 years. I have been working with students very closely, and alhamdulillah, I have seen so beautiful transformations on women who say that the programs that they would attend, the courses that they would attend at Jannah Institute would change their lives. They would change the way they see Allah, the way they see Islam, the way they see their spirituality, the way they practice their deen in their daily life.
Your generosity has helped us create a safe and supportive space for women to deepen their understanding of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we know that there is no better way to connect with your Lord than through the knowledge of Him and through the knowledge of His book and through the knowledge of His deen.
And I'd also like to thank you, our dedicated and loyal supporters and donors, to thank you and let you know how your contributions have impacted me directly. About a year ago, last Ramadan actually, I made a dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and I asked Allah to give me a position that allowed me to do the work that I love, work that lights me up, that I get to use the gifts that He gave me, my passion, which is marketing, and to serve the purpose that He created me for. I also ask that in this position, my work be a source of sadaqah jariyah for me, and allows me to work for Him to spread this message. Now, when I made the dua, I had no idea how this was going to come to pass. I just made the dua and left it to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Before I joined, I had no idea who Jannah Institute was and had never heard of Dr. Haifa. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala fulfilled the dua in ways that I couldn't even imagine, couldn't even think about making dua for.
And all of this, first and foremost, was because of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His mercy. And after that, it has been you, all of you, who decided to support us in this mission, who believed in the mission of Jannah Institute to bring the light of Islamic knowledge to the hearts and homes and of women.
And that is why I'm reaching out to you to continue to support us this Ramadan in our mission through your du'as and your donations.
Because it's your contributions that allow me to be here. There's a whole team of dedicated, loyal, passionate people who work very hard behind the scenes. Their contributions are absolutely critical to the success of fulfilling this mission. And that is made possible with your support, your contributions. And I'd like to ask that you continue to trust us, continue to support us. We have some exciting things on the horizon, and we can't wait to share them with you. Inshallah, may Allah facilitate ease in this.
No contribution is too small, and I have seen the barakah that Allah places in even the smallest donation. With your continued support, this year we plan on reaching more women and providing them the access to the knowledge that they need to continue to build their relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and to build a stronger ummah.
Thank you for changing first and foremost my life, and then changing the lives of so many other women through your donations and your beliefs, your du'as for all of us here. May Allah reward you. May Allah make your ranks in Jannah very, very high, and may He accept all of your good deeds during Ramadan and outside of Ramadan. Jazakum Allahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.